Introducing the stylish 2020 Seat Leon 2.0tdi 150HP FR Estate in blue. Packed with features like Bluetooth, cruise control, Android Auto, CarPlay, and lane departure warning. This car is perfect for all your driving needs. With safety features like ABS, airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The interior offers luxury trim and plenty of storage space. Plus, the exterior boasts sleek roof rails and privacy glass. This vehicle has a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit joenorrismotors.ie for more information today.